Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Liang Yuanyuan, your professional Chinese teacher. So today our topic is bedroom, which is very important in our daily life if you're living in China. And anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website because there are more and more topics updated every day. Anyway, let's start it. So first, we have to learn two new characters, which is 卧室卧室 both first tone 卧室 which means bedroom. We have learned this before in housing, and 卧 means lying down and 室 means room. So 卧室 is a place that you're lying down, that is your bedroom. Anyway, 卧室 right after me. 卧室 and then we have 梳妆台梳妆台梳妆台 梳 means like comb your hair, comb, and 妆 means doing makeup, like makeup, and 台 means platform. So 梳妆台 is a place that you do makeup and you're doing makeup or things like that. 梳妆台梳 flatten 梳妆 flatten 台 Remember we have learned 台灯 lamp. The 台 is the same one. 梳妆台 We have alarm clock. 闹钟 We have learned 钟 in housing before. We know it is clock. 钟 And what is 闹? It means noisy. So the alarm clock will make some noise to wake you up. It is 闹闹钟 First tone 闹闹闹钟闹钟 and then 毯子 blanket 毯子毯子 third tone 毯毯子 and single bed 单人床单人床单 means single. We have learned it in opposites. 单人床 人 means people, person. 单人床 and 床 means bed. 单人床单人床 mattress 床垫床垫床垫床垫 sheet 床单床单床单 flatten 床单 and then we have desk lamp. We have learned it in housing before. 台灯台灯 Let's review it together. Read after me. 台灯台 second tone 台灯 and bookcase 书柜书 flatten 书柜书柜 first tone 柜书柜 and then wardrobe 衣柜衣柜衣柜衣 means clothes and 书 means book. We have learned both of these two characters. And then 被子被子 quilt 被子 Remember light tone 被子 and then bed 床床 second tone 床 and pillow 枕头枕头枕 third tone 头枕头 and quilt cover 被套被套 both fourth tone 被套被套 and pillowcase 枕套枕套枕套 Read after me 枕套 and then pajamas 睡 and then pajamas 睡衣睡衣 睡衣. 睡 means sleep. 衣 means clothes. So the clothes what you wear while you're sleeping is 睡衣, pajamas. 睡衣. And then slipper, 拖鞋. 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 鞋 means shoe. 拖鞋. Hanger, 衣架. 衣 flatten, 架 force tone, 衣架. 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 And then practice time. What a beautiful bedroom you have. There are a big wardrobe and many toys. 你的房间真漂亮. Your room is very, really beautiful. 你的房间真漂亮. 你的房间真漂亮. 有大大的衣柜 which means big and very big. 大大的. You can double this word to exaggerate like the feeling you have. This is so big. You can say in Chinese it's big. So 大 means big. You can say it's 大大的. So 有大大的衣柜 wardrobe we have learned. 衣柜和 and 许多 means so many. 许多玩具 we have learned this before. It means toys. 玩具你的房间真漂亮. 有大大的衣柜和许多玩具. So, another one. The baby on the bed in his cute pajamas is Xiaoming's brother. So, 那个 that 穿着 wear 可爱 cute we have learned it in appearance. 睡衣 pajamas. 躺 lying. 在 on. Bed 床. 上 means on something, so 床上 on the bed. 的 we have learned it before. It have two meanings. First, it means that the words before it have the position of the next one, or it have the meaning that the words before it is used to describe the next one. So here it is the second one. The 躺在床上穿着可爱睡衣 is used to describe the 孩子. So what kind of child? The child that is lying on the bed, that is wearing the cute pajamas. So then here, 是 is. Who is? The 孩子 is. 小明 is someone's name. The, here we have the again. Now it is the first meaning. Like, 小明 have the position of the 弟弟. We have learned 弟弟 before. It means younger brother. So whose younger brother is this? It's 小明's younger brother. 小明的弟弟. Remember the, this is a very important expression. 那个穿着可爱睡衣躺在床上的孩子是小明的弟弟. Read after me. 那个穿着可爱睡衣躺在床上的孩子是小明的弟弟. So this is a course today. If you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestion, just comment below. And don't forget to check the homework and do some review. Thank you. Bye.